top model plastics. We actually used a 3D printer yesterday to build this. But we,
did you really?
Yeah, we actually had to ship kind of cool direct from New York.
Which printer?
Hi, I'm Angel. I'm here with BugLabs. I'm an embedded software engineer.
Yeah, I love how it's open source and open almost device.
Open source, open hardware, schematics, 3D design files, etc.
So what do you have right there?
Excuse me?
What do you have right there? I mean,
this is called the Bug.
Yeah.
It is a modular hardware platform. It is unique. It is a unique gadget in that it has multiple purpose, not just one. So the idea is a developer, a software engineer, at least at the moment, can go and can go to buglabs.net, purchase a bug and different modules to have the ability to create their own gadget. So this is kind of a personal story. This morning I had to wake up around 5:50 a.m. in order to get here on time. Now my phone is an excellent alarm clock, and I have it here. It's really loud and it wakes me up, but it has one problem. It's really easy to turn off and I can fall back asleep. So the idea is, and again, this is a personal gadget that I want for myself. I can use an audio module. I don't have one on me right now, it's on the desk. I can use that for the alarm. So I would snap in the audio module. Then I can attach a motion detector to it, and build my own alarm clock. I would write software for that. It's pressing a button to turn off the alarm. I can actually write code where it sees me doing jumping jacks and make sure that I'm up. So now a large electronics manufacturer may not want to build a product like that, and maybe I find other heavy sleepers that can use a gadget that I want, where it makes you turn off the alarm if you're doing exercise or something. At that point, I can upload that application that I create over to buglabs.net, and other people who may want the same application can go and download it instead of create it themselves.
Okay. So you have the base. Is that the base module, and these are the modules that goes on it?
Absolutely.
And let's see, what does this module do?
This is the breakout module. So the idea behind there is, in here there is an MX31 processor, and the MX31 has many peripherals inside of it. So for example, it has connectors for you to connect a camera, it has connectors for you to connect other sensors, it has connectors for video, etc. So the idea is we expose the different connectors or the different hardware interface through these connectors, and then you can attach different modules to them. Now it's really, for example, this is a breakout module, and we call it the Bug Von Hippel module. The idea behind this is, let's say somebody wants to use this for a robotics project. Now it's really intensive to go and connect to these guys if you're a hobbyist. So the idea is you would purchase this guy and it'll enable you to easily wire external sensors to it.
And what is the programming language of you guys?
We're running Linux. We're targeting Java developers, but since we're running Linux, the drivers are there. They can program in C, C++, Python, Ruby, you name it. It's a full-blown Linux computer. Okay. So
is it available right now?
It is available. buglabs.net. The
How
store.
much is the
base unit's $249. Each module goes anywhere from $50 to $120 or so. That is the currently available modules. We're working on a Pico projector. Obviously, that's going to be more expensive than that range, but all the information that you may want is in buglabs.net, or you can contact through email and we'll get it back to you.
It's a lot lighter than I thought. I saw in the pictures. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, there's 1200 milliamp hour slim battery in there, charging circuitry, base LCD. We have a touchscreen LCD. We have a GPS. We have a GSM modem. We have audio modems. We have all sorts of things coming
I
out.
have all these connectors.
Yeah, these guys, this is power, on-off switch. This is a handy link connector. We expose Ethernet, power, USB, and serial. This is USB on the go, means it can behave as a master or a slave. In master mode, it can be used with a keyboard and external hard drive. In slave mode, you can use it, let's say that you use it with the camera, you can use it to connect it to a computer and download the images from it and so on.
Check out the development tool.
Hey Matt,
Is that the development tool?
Explain quickly the SDK?
Let's give it a whirl. Yeah. I think you can assume it's that than I am.
Okay, thanks Matt. So this is an Eclipse-based IDE. Eclipse is one of the prominent development environments out there for software developers, especially in Java, although some may not want me to say that because they like NetBeans. But Eclipse is a great platform. It's an extensible platform and our development environment that we have extended for our bug. In here, this is the Dragonfly perspective. This is Eclipse. On the right-hand side, you see a list of applications that are available from our website. On the center section, you see the physical module. So there's a bug that it's connected to this computer that has all these 4 modules to it. On the left-hand side are the application projects. So for example, you can go from BugLabs.net, drag and drop over to your website and over to your computer and download it to your device. That's how you download an application, similar to iTunes and so on. That's it. You would write Java code. We have code generators and so on. A developer, we feel that would feel at home if they wanted to program in Java. Now keep in mind, it's a full-blown Linux computer, so if Java is not your thing, you have access to the drivers, C, C++, Python, etc. You can go crazy. One thing that I have failed to mention is that each module exposes some sort of web service. So for example, the camera, you can go to your IP address for your bug base, /services/picture, and it'll force the camera to take a picture and send it to you over an HTTP GET. Same thing with motion detector. If you go to /service/motion.
Do we have a spell app code there? Spell app code.
If you go to /service/motion, you'll get a list of all the motion events that you've received, and you'll see where motion was detected and so on.
Cool. Sweet. Now I get to see it in live. I read a lot about this.
This is a prototype keyboard module that we're working on.
Is it display?
Yeah. This is the same one that was in one of their iPods. That's the breakout module for hardware hackers.
One of the guys who helped write our own guys. You know about
All right, sweet. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your show.